Hi, my name is Noah, and I will be reading A Strange Teacher, Something's Really Wrong. Okay, class, said the principal. I found a new teacher for you guys. I know substitute teachers are boring, so here we go. Welcome, Mr. Sam. Hello, class, said Mr. Sam. I'm happy to be here. Let's get into the lesson right away. No time to waste. Today we're going to be talking about murder. He paused. Math. He quickly corrected himself. Jane looked confused. Did he just say something else? Nothing, whispered Christian. What are you talking about? Asked Jane. I think I just heard our teacher say murder. I must be going crazy. You think? Said Christian. Mr. Sam smiled. Okay, class. Math can help us with numbers, but what about murder or hiding a dead body? He stopped again. The class stared at him. Mr. Sam said Jane slowly. I don't think that's a part of math. Oh, don't worry, said Mr. Sam. I was just thinking about something else. The class sighed with relief. And Mr. Sam grinned. Since we're sharing thoughts, why don't we talk about how I murdered my cousin last week for touching my homework? The classroom went completely silent. Finally, someone whispered, Wait, what? Mr. Sam blinked. What? He asked. You just said you murdered your cousin You just said you murdered your cousin, shouted Christian. Mr. Sam looked down at his notes. Oh. The class scooted their chairs back. Oh, Jane repeated. Mr. Sam laughed nervously. I meant to say my cousin murdered my science project by spilling juice on it. The class sighed in relief. The loud thump came from the closet. Everyone froze. Mr. Sam froze too. What was that? Asked Jane. Probably nothing, said Mr. Sam quickly. Thump. The closet door rattled. There's definitely something, Christian said. The student slowly turned toward the closet. Mr. Sam suddenly stood in front of it. No need to look in there. Let's go do math. Why are you sweating? Asked Jane. I'm not sweating. You are. I'm exercising by standing still. Exactly. The closet rattled again. Before anyone could stop him, Christian walked over and opened the door. Inside was a giant raccoon. The raccoon wore sunglasses. The raccoon stared at the class. The class stared at the raccoon. The raccoon slowly raised his tiny hand. Hello, it squeaked. The classroom exploded into screams. Mr. Sam groaned. I can explain. You have a talking raccoon in your closet? Shouted Jane. Well, when you say it like that, it sounds weird. It is weird. The raccoon adjusted its sunglasses. For the record, it said, I'm the assistant teacher. The class screamed even louder. To be continued.